Hi friends, it's Nirmal from Nandanam Exotics, and today we'll be looking at a beautiful lotus bloom, and also I'll be sharing some exciting news. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So friends, today's video is about a Nelumbo hybrid or a lotus hybrid called Twinkle. It comes from the house of Nymphe and Nelumbo, done by my dear friend Ganesh. So hope you guys enjoy and like the video. Nelumbo Twinkle is a tropical cross hybrid, which means that it can be easily grown in a strictly tropical as well as a temperate climate. It is a profusely blooming cultivar that everyone who loves lotus should have in their collection. The footage shows the first day bloom of this hybrid lotus, and this is my very first flower from this hybrid. It didn't completely bloom because it was a gloomy and cloudy day. So friends, this is the second day bloom of this lotus hybrid. You can see how beautiful and vibrant this cultivar is. So as I told you in the title and in the intro, I was meaning to share exciting news with you guys. So we'll take a look at what it is. So friends, I was fortunate enough to be featured in two mainstream journals, one a regional one called Mathrubhumi and another one is a national one called The Hindu. I'll be leaving links to the articles in the description below, so do check it out. All the above articles were based on the fact that I grow insectivorous plants in my collection. I feel extremely humbled and privileged to be recognized, and I wanted to share it with you guys. As always guys, do consider subscribing to the channel if you like my content. Also press the bell notification button so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Coming back to the subject of this video, Nelumbo Twinkle is a lotus cultivar that was introduced 4 years back by my friend Ganesh, who is a lotus hybridizer. This cultivar is well on its way on being registered as an official lotus cultivar or hybrid. They are profusely blooming and keeps on giving you flowers year round. They do not require a dormancy period because they are tropical in nature. The only drawback to this cultivar is that there is not much tuber production. The tubers are very slender and more like runners. Now let's talk about the size of this cultivar. It can be classified as a medium to large lotus cultivar, which means you can either grow them in a container that is of 1 to 2 feet in dia and 1 feet high, or you can even grow them in larger water bodies like a pond, etc. Just like any other lotus, this one also requires a full day exposure to sun for optimum blooming and growth. Lotus are heavy feeders, and you should always feed your lotus with either chemical or organic fertilizers. If you have fish in the pond, I would suggest you to stick with organic fertilizers. Friends, also keep a check on the water level in the pond and keep topping up as required. I'll be soon posting videos related to growing lotus and other cultural requirements. I've already posted few lotus related videos which I'll leave a link in the notification. Friends, as always, I'm reminding you guys to subscribe to the channel if you like my content. Also leave a like and share this video in like-minded circles. Until next time, it's Nirmal signing off.